Battery switch. On. C1 and C2 elect pump selectors. Off. L and R elect demand pump selectors. Off. External power. On if available. IRS selectors. On. Primary flight computers disconnect switch. Guard closed. IFE/pass seats power switch. On. Cabin/utility power switch. On. APU gen switches. On. Generator control switches. On. APU selector. Start then on. Windshield wiper selectors. Off. Flight deck door power switch. On. Emergency lights. Guard closed. Window heat switches. On. Engine hydraulic pump switches. On. C1 and C2 elect pump selectors. Off. L and R elect demand pump selectors. Off. Seatbelt selector. On. Fuel pumps. Off. Anti-ice. Auto. Navigation lights. On. Logo lights. As required. Recirculation switches. On. Pack switches. Auto. Trim air switches. On. Flight director. On. Auto throttle. Arm. Autopilot disengage bar. Up. Bank limit selector. Auto. Landing gear. Down. Auto brake selector. RTO. Parking brake. Set. Speed brake. DN. Flaps. Up. Fuel control switches. Cut off. TCAS/ATC selector. STBY. C1 and C2 elect pump selectors. Auto. L and R elect demand pump selectors. Auto. Fuel pumps. On. Beacon. On. TCAS/ATC selector. XPDR. Thrust levers. Idle. Right engine start/ignition switch. Start. Right engine fuel control switch. Run. Left engine start. Repeat procedure. ICAS. Engine running.